now we have our little guys. We made the flowers, remember earlier. This is the center flower. And I want a little bit of green at the base and a little bit of pink at the tip. If they've got flowers in the top, they're supposed to have a little bit of pink on the top of them. So we'll dust a little pink on that. Those that have flowers. Oops. Okay, this is a little bit of lime green. Just going to paste it at the very base. Almost makes it look like a brighter yellow, but it is green. And what I'm going to do is put a little bit of water in the center here. And I'm going to squish these guys in. Oop, fell down. It's all right. There we go. Just push him in. And if you need some help, you can use a toothpick or anything, tweezers, whatever to help you get him in there. You can see we've got them all in there now. You can put more in if you want, like I said. Any number you want. Okay, at this point we're ready to do some pine cones. Let's see our guy. Oh, this is the guy we molded earlier. And it's firm, I can feel it. It's pretty firm. So what I'm going to do is just kind of pull this out, pull it away from the pine cone. And pull my pine cone out. Now if I want, I can trim these edges, which I think I will, so that it can make it easier for if I'm going to do one out of chocolate, which I'm going to do it right now. It'll be a little easier for me to get it out. Okay, so let's go ahead and mold that. I got a little bit of my chocolate clay. Nice and soft. Cone shape. We're going to stuff it in there. Stuff it in good. Squish it in. Squish it in good so it gets, because it's got 360-degree petals. The petals go all the way around, so we're going to make sure it's in there good. Okay. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put this in the freezer so that the clay will harden up so I can get it back out again. Okay, so let's pop it in the freezer for a few minutes.